1/3 divided by 2/5. With keep, change, flip, you would keep the first one, you would change the sign, and you would flip the last one, right? So you would keep this one, change this to multiplication, and flip this. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a STEM teacher for 20 years. I like to make math engaging and fun and not so scary for everyone involved. So if you're looking for tutoring, for in-person tutoring or Zoom tutoring or Cameo micro tutoring, click the link and do the stuff. The reason for that is because, and this is where it branches over into like a pre-calculus kind of concept. In order to kind of like figure out why that keep, change, flip works, so we're gonna do keep, change, flip. And then you're multiplying straight across and you get 5/6. Okay, there's that. So now we're gonna get into the why behind keep, change, flip. So we have 1/3. I'm gonna write this as a complex fraction. Okay, it just means a fraction over a fraction. Because the division symbol, remember, is a fraction bar. I have 1/3 divided by 2/5. The first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of that fraction in the bottom because that is ugly, right? We've got 2/5 down here. So I want to get rid of that fraction. So to get rid of that fraction, we can do the inverse, right? We can flip it and not the inverse, the reciprocal. You guys are messing me up with all your calculus things. So we're gonna flip it to multiply by the reciprocal, because if I multiply by the reciprocal, it's going to become 1 on the bottom, right? Now, whatever I do on the bottom, I have to do to the top. So this becomes times 5/2 also, right? Because I have to keep it even, right? I have to do everything on the bottom that I do on the top. So 2 times 5 is 10, 5 times 2 is 10, 10/10 becomes 1. So now I've got 1 on the bottom. These are canceling out, right? So this becomes 1/3 times 5/2 over 1, which is what you get when you do keep, change, flip. Look at that. So you keep, you change, you flip. Okay? So that's where keep, change, flip comes from. But it's just an extra, it's just a kind of little shortcut, right? It's not a trick. It's not anything sneaky. It's just a shortcut, right? So it's not, these aren't tricks. They're just shortcuts. That's all it is. That's MathedUp.